Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make these fingerless gloves. Now I'll show you how to make these reversible fingerless gloves. To make one glove, I'll be using two stretchy fabric pieces which fit all around my hand, and they are 20 centimeters by 18 centimeters each fabric piece. Now I'm putting those two fabric pieces together so the right side is inside, pinning that edge together, and I'll be sewing a straight stitch there. My seam allowance is 5 millimeters of the fabric edge. I'm pulling my fabric slightly so my glove stretches. This is how it looks after I sew those two fabric pieces together, nice and stretchy. Next, I'm opening my fabric and I'm folding it again in this direction, and I'm pinning these two seams together. Next, I'm folding two edges of this black fabric hem inside, and it's approximately 5 millimeter seam allowance I have folded inside, and I'm repeating same on other side. Next, I will mark the measurements for my thumb. I am marking 4 centimeters from the glove top hem to the thumb. And I'm marking 4 centimeters for the thumb measurement. After I marked all of the measurements, I will be sewing all of the highlighted seams on a picture. This is how it looks after I sewed those seams together. Only the thumb seam is open and not sewed on both fabrics. Next, I'm opening up the seam allowance flat on both fabrics, on leopard fabric and black fabric. And so I'm making sure that both edges are flat, and I'm folding both fabrics together. So one side of the seam allowance edge touches the other side of the seam allowance edge, and then I'm pinning the black fabric and leopard print fabric seam allowance edges together on one side like that. This is how it looks after I pinned one side of the seam allowance, and this is the other side of the seam allowance. So now also straight stitch there by hand to attach both edges together. I'm sewing a triple stitch where the thumb hole area is to secure the seam. This is how it looks after I sew those two seam edges together. I will repeat same process on other side. So both sides of the seam edges are sewed now together, as you can see there on one side and other side. Now I'm reversing my glove to the right side. It looks like that. So that's the hem there. That's the thumb hole there. Looks nice and neat. Last thing what I need to do is sew the hem. I'll be hand stitching the hem together with invisible stitching. I'm folding each fabric edge to the left side approximately 5mm and I'm sewing invisible stitch all around the glove hem. This is how it looks after I sewed the hem on a fingerless glove. Nice and neat finish. And my glove is finished now. If you have any questions how I made these fingerless reversible gloves, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.